Have you ever wondered how to really captivate a man? Whether it's someone you like, a good friend, or just someone special, there are 15 tricks you can use. Imagine being able to enchant him so that he thinks of you constantly and smiles every time he sees you. Today, I'm going to show you how to do just that. From gaining confidence to making a great impression, these tips will help you win his heart. Keep watching to learn how to win a boy over completely. Number 15, be confident and happy. Confidence is about feeling good inside and showing it outside. When you're confident, you smile and stand up straight. People notice your positive energy, and they feel happy being around you too. You can build confidence by doing things you enjoy and are good at, like sports or drawing. When a guy sees how happy and sure of yourself you are, he'll want to be around you because you make him feel good too. For example, imagine walking into a room with a big smile on your face. Everyone notices and smiles back because your happiness is contagious. Number 14, give him space. Giving someone space means letting them have time for themselves. It's important to show that you have your own hobbies and interests. This makes you more interesting because he'll wonder what you're doing when you're not together. When you give him space, he has the chance to miss you and look forward to the next time you hang out. For example, after school, you might play basketball with your friends or read a book. You don't text him right away because you're busy enjoying your own activities. Number 13, be yourself. Being yourself means showing him who you really are. Let him see your unique personality, like your love for animals or your talent for playing the piano. When you're genuine, he'll appreciate your honesty and feel comfortable around you. For example, you might wear your favorite t-shirt with cats on it because you love cats. He notices and thinks it's cool that you're not afraid to show what you like. Number 12, stay busy. Keeping yourself busy with things you enjoy makes you interesting. Whether it's painting, playing a sport, or learning a new language, having fun hobbies shows him that you're independent and have lots of cool things going on. When you're busy, he'll see that you're not waiting around for him and that you have a life of your own. For example, you might join a dance class after school or volunteer at the animal shelter on weekends. He thinks it's awesome that you're so active and passionate about different activities. Number 11, show interest but don't chase. It's okay to show that you're interested in him, but it's also important to give him a chance to pursue you. Let him start conversations or ask you to hang out sometimes. This shows him that you enjoy his company and gives him the opportunity to get to know you better. For example, you might ask him about his favorite movies or music. He enjoys talking to you and feels good knowing that you want to learn more about him. Number 10, be supportive. Being supportive means cheering him on and being there for him when he needs it. Show interest in his goals and dreams, and celebrate his achievements with him. When he feels supported by you, he'll want to spend more time with you. For example, if he's nervous about a big test, you might encourage him and tell him he'll do great. He appreciates your support and feels happy knowing that you're there for him. Number 9, leave a lasting impression. Make the time you spend together memorable. Plan fun activities or have deep conversations that he'll remember even when you're not around. Leave him with positive memories that he'll think about and look forward to repeating. Example, you might go on a hike together and discover a beautiful view at the top. He remembers the adventure and fun you had exploring nature together. He can't wait for more adventures with you. Number 8, use social media wisely. Social media is a fun way to stay connected, but use it wisely. Share things you enjoy, like photos of your artwork or funny jokes, but keep some parts of your life private to maintain a sense of mystery. For example, you post pictures of your weekend camping trip on social media. He sees your adventurous side and likes your posts. He wonders what other exciting things you're up to and wants to learn more about you. Number 7, send thoughtful messages. Sending a thoughtful message can brighten his day. Send him a message wishing him luck before a big game, or asking about something important to him. It shows that you care about him and are thinking of him. For example, if he mentions having a busy day, you might send him a message saying, "Good luck with your project. You've got this." He appreciates your encouragement and feels happy knowing that you're supportive. Number 6, look your best. Taking care of your appearance means feeling good about how you look. Dress in clothes that make you feel confident and comfortable. When you feel good about yourself, it boosts your confidence and catches his attention. For example, you dress up for a school dance and feel confident in your outfit. He notices your style and compliments your look. He likes that you take pride in your appearance and feel good about yourself. Number 5, create inside jokes. Sharing laughter creates a special bond between people. Make jokes or talk about funny things that only the two of you understand. It creates happy memories and makes him miss those joyful moments when you're not together. For example, you both laugh at a funny moment during lunchtime. Whenever you see each other, you bring up the joke and laugh together again. He enjoys your sense of humor and likes sharing fun moments with you. Number 4, be mysterious. Being mysterious means leaving some things unknown. Share parts of your life gradually and let him discover new things about you over time. It keeps him intrigued and wanting to learn more about you. For example, you mentioned that you love to draw, but you don't show him all your artwork right away. He's curious about your drawings and wants to see more of your creative talents. Number 3, stay positive. Having a positive attitude makes others feel good around you. Even when things are tough, keep a cheerful outlook. Your positivity will make him enjoy being around you and want to spend more time together. For example, if you face a challenge at school, you might stay optimistic and work hard to find a solution. He admires your determination and likes that you approach problems with a positive attitude. Number 2, respect yourself. Respecting yourself means knowing your worth and setting boundaries. Don't let anyone treat you poorly or disrespectfully. When he sees that you respect yourself, he'll respect you too. For example, you stand up for yourself if someone tries to tease you in a mean way. He admires your confidence and likes that you won't let anyone treat you badly. Number 1, be patient. Building a connection takes time. Enjoy getting to know each other and let your friendship grow naturally. Be patient and allow your feelings for each other to develop over time. For example, you enjoy spending time with him but understand that it's important to take things slow. You're patient and let your bond strengthen gradually. These tips are your guide to making any guy miss you and think about you more often. By being confident in yourself, giving him space to miss you, and showing genuine interest, you create a magnetic presence that draws him closer. Remember, it's all about being true to yourself, staying positive, and enjoying your own life. When you focus on being the best version of yourself, you naturally become irresistible. So go ahead, apply these tips, and watch how he starts missing you badly, even if he wasn't initially interested. Your journey to capturing his heart begins now. For more relationship advice and tips, feel free to explore our other articles. Don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter to receive updates and more insightful content that can help you navigate the world of love and attraction. Ready to make him miss you? Start today and see the difference it makes in your connection.